Welcome back to my channel, guys. Please hit that like and comment and share button. Please, I highly recommend it. Well, I'm going to talk about the video here, guys. And I might come off wrong on some people. Depends on what they believe in. I might come off right. If somebody know about law and order and you want the thing do the right way. Alright, so the video here on social media with the police them go to Spanish Town Shopping Center. Right at the front. Anybody familiar with Spanish Town side? When you go out that side and you look over the plaza side, see? Me not lie. The vendor them take over the front part of the plaza. Big man thing. From the step down, go right in at the entry, go right round. You understand? I understand, say, people have to earn a little living because time hard. You understand? But there is ways and means how to deal with situations. Alright? So in the video, the police them, the Metro Police and the JCF them went out there and like them ready for take up them things and want to move them. Because to be frank, you know look good in our town. You understand? So I believe in everybody earning an honest bread. You understand? But we have to work with law and order. Not saying that they didn't get permission to be out there, but when you're looking at the town and look out there, it really, sometimes you can't even see the plaza. You understand? And people want shopping in peace. So that I might take, all right? Big up a vendor, them and everything. But I don't know if government are put in some place where these people can get a location where they can sell them. I tell you guys, if they even build a market and put them in the market, them hustling are going to drop way below par because people now go in a market to look for certain things. It's when you're on the street side and you walk by or you drive by, you just say, yo, give me one of that, no? Quick sale. You understand? So, I understand the confusion and I understand the situation because you don't know, everybody want a little mickle. Every mickle make a muckle. Everybody want a little something for sort out them life. You understand? And the video now, the part in the video now, I didn't see no police in the video doing. Only thing the police them bust a shot. Reason being for that shot is because after the police them I grabbed the stuff them is like one of the lady fell. And when she fell and her son come out. He come out with a half a machete. Yeah, come out with a half a cutlass and I say, I'm a mother you push down. And in raising honor for the police, or raising your honor for the law, the law enforcement, you know that they are going to react. So in the video, shot fired, but I'm not sure if it's in his direction or up in the air. But I have the video, guys, and as usual, you don't know, all who in the group can see the video. We can pin my number, YouTube policy. Them not really want to show those stuff because remember them give it ads first and it pop up on certain people and it then can report it. So all in all, one of the people them work with the law and order. Cause enough time you're driving in town and if you allow the vendors then guys then take over the whole of the road left and right. Then turn all two-way and a one-way. So you have to have law and order. You understand? I know now I try to work on the honest bread and I know if I just do the right thing. I know the struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real, but that is just my 2 cents. I don't want nobody come off of me so I chat too much and I'm biased. Them should have did it and block up a place and sell because government now this and now that. In some country you have to work with law and order. So I just say things. I didn't know it's just a matter of time because personally speaking, when I walk by a crowdy and look good for the Spanish Town Shopping Center. Alright, but anyway, big up on yourself. Leave you with the next video. Peace.